Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. A 39-year-old foreign national was arrested on Friday, 30 January 2026 for dealing and in possession of drugs in Ekurhuleni district. The arrest was part of the joint operation involving the Johannesburg Hawks, Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police and other law enforcement units targeting organized crime in the area. The operation followed information received on Wednesday, 28 January 2026 about a suspect allegedly operating an illegal drug laboratory in Kraaiwagen Park. Police conducted a search of the premises on Friday and discovered 8 kilograms of khat and 2 kilograms of crystal meth with a combined estimated value of more than 1 million rand. The joint operation involved multiple law enforcement divisions, including the Hawks Serious Organized Crime Investigation Team, Ekurhuleni Community Liaison, Ekurhuleni Intervention Unit, Headquarters Crime Intelligence, K9 West Rand, Pretoria Forensic Science Laboratory, and the Germiston Local Criminal Records Center. Their coordinated effort led to the successful seizure of drugs and the suspect's arrest. The arrested suspect is expected to appear before the Germiston Magistrate Court on Monday, 2 February 2026. Authorities confirmed the investigations into the illegal drug operations are ongoing, and the collaboration between the Hawks and Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police remains active to prevent further criminal activities in the district. Uncomeka umsebenzi wenziwe ngamaphoyisa ukuthi babambe lo muntu bathathe nama drugs lawo, kodwa nje into engikhathaza mina ukuthi lo muntu is a foreign national. Nansi into efike ngiphathe kabi ukuthi lo muntu obanjwe nama drugs worth 1 million rand estimated uyi-foreign national. Lokho nje kukodwa khomisa ukuthi lo muntu uyedelela ngoba usuke ezweni la kubo, uye ukubulala umphakathi wangakubo, uye ukubulala i-youth yangakubo, uzobulala i-youth yase South Africa ngoba lama drugs akaba manufacturer njengoba kuthiwa ne laboratory nje lapha. Lama drugs abawenzayo awezi ukudliwa zingane zangakubo la abuya khona yena, kodwa azothengiselwa i-youth yase South Africa, azodliwa abantu base South Africa. If inandi ifike ngiphathe kabi kulolu daba, kodwa ke siyawuncoma umsebenzi wenziwa amaphoyisa ukuthi nje kubhlungu kungenzeka lo muntu aphume ngebail, khona etholakale nama drugs kanje kungenzeka aphume ngebail. 14 foreign nationals arrested as police seized 265 illegal gambling machines in the Eastern Cape. A joint law enforcement operation in Qeleni, Eastern Cape, resulted in the arrest of 14 foreign nationals, comprised 12 Pakistan and 2 Chinese citizens. Authorities seized 265 illegal gambling machines discovered inside shipping container during the raid. Nansi ke into ebuhlungu. Uyabona ngiye ngezwe kule nsuku ezedlule kuthiwa ya makhulunywa ngama immigrants kuvele kubheke kubantu abamnyama, obhuti bethu base Africa. Manje sikhuluma ngama China, futhi asiqala ukukhuluma ngama Chinese national. NgoDisemba sikhulume ngawo ngoba uDr Nasiphi Moyo ube raid abona lapha ya eTshwane. Namanje sikhuluma ngabo. Kulabantu lento abayenzayo ayikho yinhle. Ibulala izwe lethu. Ayibulala izwe labo. Yabona manje kutholakale ama container igcwele lemshini oyithola emakulinde nama eyitolo lokufakwa kuya ama 2 rand. Hayi South Africa indawo okudlala kahle. South Africa indawo okudlala nje ngempela. On Wednesday, 28 January 2026, the Johannesburg Metropolitan Police Department, also known as JMPD Tactical Response Unit, received information regarding an adult female, 50 years old, Pakistani national who was allegedly impersonating a registered medical practitioner at a medical clinic, South Road in Midrand. The officers proceeded to the medical clinic where they found the female suspect actively consulting with two patients. She was requested to produce relevant documents authorizing her to practice medical, including a valid practice number. The female failed to provide any such documentation. Upon further questioning, the suspect admitted that she had not completed her medical practitioner studies and did not possess the required qualifications or certificates. She further stated that she had been practicing as a medical practitioner for more than 10 years without valid documentation. The officers seized 6 patient files, including stationery such as sick notes, prescriptions, and completed eye screening certificates, PRDP certificates, and documents with different medical doctors' names that were found in her consultation room. Yazi sivelelo South Africa. Lo muntu lona usuke eSomalia wazopractice la eSouth Africa for about 10 years or for more than 10 years. 10 years. I wonder abantu bebefika khona bebanikeza zona na. Kodwa uma ngilalela ngathi umuntu okwayifundela yona lento le. Kodwa akacompletanga. Ave kulula ugange eSouth Africa. Hey. Yase ngicabanga nje ama patient wakhe. Kodwa ithemba likhona ukuthi ngoba umuntu vele owayeyifundela wangayiqeda mhlawumbe bebanikeza into eziright. Inkinga ukuthi phela njengomuntu nje ordinary person awazi ukuthi ungachecka kanjani lo muntu lo registered ngempela na noma kwenzakalani ngaye. Ayikho indlela thina esingakwazi ukuchecka ngayo. Kodwa nje ibhlungu lento eyenzekayo. Ngoba kusuka labantu le ngaphandle bazokwenza lobugebengu ababenzayo. Yabo lo mama beyiphilela kamnandi nama patient wakhe kodwa uyazazi ukuthi kule 10 years wayangaqedelanga izifundo zakhe. Kule 10 years phela beseyithola imali wayangaqedelanga izifundo zakhe. MPDTRU and security officers received information regarding a fraud case that occurred and that the suspects were gathering at a residence in Diepkloof, Soweto. The team proceeded to the identified location and tactically entered the premises, which led to the successful apprehension of 2 male suspects during a search of the property. Officers recovered approximately 150 fraudulent bank and SASSA cards, along with various withdrawal receipts. Both suspects were arrested on charges of fraud and possession of suspected fraudulent cards. Further investigations revealed that the suspects are linked to multiple fraud related to cases across Johannesburg. Angibambi video. Cela ukuzuphala kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lo daba esilixoxayo. Hayi angazi nokuthi ngithini yazi. Mawucabanga ukuthi 150 amakhadi. Let's say ikhadi ngalinye liholela umntwana oyedwa. Ama ghost njalo. Ya uhulumeni kusafuneka asebenze. Isystem le kusafuneka asebenze. Ngoba ngokwedlule basibikela ukuthi kwahulumeni kunama ghost employees. Aholayo nje asebenzayo. uGeneral Khumalo ufika wakhuluma ukuthi kunama ghost employees kuyi-subs. Aholayo aze futhi anama position lama ghost from phansi brigadier till kuyi level ka lieutenant general. The way nje ubugebengu bungakhona. So angazi nokuthi ngithini. Ngicela ukuzuphala kwakho kodwa la ku comment section. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane ku video landelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Enjani kwazise ngokwenzeka ezweni leli esiphila kulo.